Good morning, blessed saints of God, and happy preparation for Sabbath. We continue reading Testimonies for the Church, Volume 9, Home Missionary Work. God expects personal service from everyone to whom He has entrusted a knowledge of the truth for this time. Not all can go as missionaries to foreign lands, but all can be home missionaries in their families and neighborhoods. There are many ways in which church members may give the message to those around them. One of the most successful is by living helpful, unselfish Christian lives. Those who are fighting the battle of life at great odds may be refreshed and strengthened by little attentions which cost nothing, little acts of kindness, kindly words simply spoken, little attentions simply bestowed, will sweep away the clouds of temptation and doubt that gather over the soul. The true heart expression of Christ-like sympathy, given in simplicity, has power to open the doors of hearts that need the simple, delicate touch of the Spirit of Christ. Christ accepts, oh so gladly, every human agency that is surrendered to Him. He brings the human into union with the divine, that He may communicate to the world the mysteries of incarnate love. Talk it, pray it, sing it, fill the world with the message of His truth, and keep pressing on into the regions beyond. Heavenly intelligences, angels, are waiting to cooperate with human instrumentalities, that they may reveal to the world what human beings have become, what we may become, and what through their influence they may accomplish for the saving of souls that are ready to perish. For this reason, saints of God, we have so much to do to reveal Christ and the heaven that is to be won to the world that walks in darkness. He who is truly converted will be so filled with the love of God that he will long to impart to others the joy that he himself possesses. The Lord desires His people to show forth to the world the beauty of holiness. She, the Church, is to demonstrate the power of Christian religion. Heaven is to be reflected in the character of the Christian. The song of gratitude and praise is to be heard by those in darkness, for the good tidings of the gospel, for its promises and assurances. We are to express our gratitude by seeking to do good to others. The doing of this work will bring rays of heavenly righteousness to the wearied, perplexed, and suffering souls. It is as a fountain open for the wayworn, thirsty traveler. At every work of mercy, every work of love, angels of God are present. And let us remember, saints, this world does not know Jesus. It has no rest. Let us bring them to the Master so that they may rest at His feet and find perfect peace. Happy preparation for Sabbath, saints of God.
God sent His Son, they called Him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon and just because He